JandJ Kids. It's fun time. Hi guys. Today we're gonna open soldier toys. We have the little soldier toys and another soldier toys. Come on, and jet and a big truck. Let's first open this one. Right. I'm gonna. Look at this! You guys, look! Look! Is there any more? Yep, there is. There's some more. Wait. We got the jet opened up, and I'll show you the. Wait. Boom. Here, come on. And also there's one. Now let's open this one. Yes. The biggest one. Looks like it's a truck. Look, there's two characters, but I don't know their names. Yeah! Uh-oh, we need more soldiers! I'm good. Sound makers. Are you ready, guys, to defend the other team? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Go, go! Hey! Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Go, go! Broken. Oh no! I know JandJ. Leak. Got broken. Go, go! Come on! We're gonna attack them! Come on! I see this. We won! We won! Yay! Uh-oh. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and bye!